What's that box doing over there? Like, we see the wall, but we also see a box on the floor. What could this mean? Well, I guess the only way to figure it out is to open it. Yeah, I think that's the only way we can know what's inside the box. You just gotta open it. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Della Kicks, bringing you a new video. And, you saw the intro, you saw the box on the floor, we got the box right here. You guys are probably wondering what's in the box. And if you had peeped in my last video where I spoke about the wall, about the shoe containers, I left a link in the description on where to buy the ones that I have right here. They are very cheap, $30, and they come in 12, which I think is really really cool. And they're good. For now at least. When I do move out to my own place, I'm going to be upgrading. But for now, these definitely do the job. Anyways, so in that last video, I had mentioned that I will hit on sneakers, the Jordan 1 Low Air Trophy Rooms. And as you can tell, they are right here. So, of course, you already know what the deal is. We did it with the women's bacons, we did it with the Kobe Grinches. So now we gotta do it with this. Oh man, there's nothing more exciting than getting shoes. So let me just stop talking. Let's get into it. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, subscribe. You already know the goal, 50 until the end of the summer. And then once we hit that goal, we're gonna have a giveaway just for y'all. So yes, let me stop talking and let's get into this review. Into this. Doing everything one-handed is difficult, but ooh, I got a little peek. What? Oh my goodness, ladies and fellows, man. Look at the box. This box go crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Fuck, man. I'm definitely keeping the box. The box is something you won't destroy. Fuck, alright, let me show y'all. As always, let's look at the tag. You see size 9, as always. Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG SP Sail Black Varsity Red Muslin. Not bad. Now, before we get into it, let's look at the box together. Alright, y'all, look at this. Absolute beauty. I'm loving the box. 10 out of 10. Nike, got little hits of like that fade, which I really, really like. Now, let's keep looking. And now, the moment of truth. I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. Let's look at these beauties. What? Yo, look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Nah, man, they cooked. They absolutely cooked. Oh my goodness. Oh my. If you want to look at what's in this box, all right. Yo, presentation already is 10 out of 10. Jordan, y'all kill this. Here they are. Ladies and gentlemen, the Air Jordan 1 trophy rooms. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. If y'all need anything, just let me know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Nah, man, that's crazy. Let me give y'all a better look at these beauties, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, honestly, this video is not even doing it justice. Like, take a minute and just look how detailed this is. Oh my god. Like, wow. And there's another set of laces. So you get black, yellow, and white, and oh my goodness. You already know what we gotta do. Every sneakerhead knows. Oh my god, that is nice. Ooh, that sniff test passed. 10 out of 10. Oh yeah, 10 out of 10. Oh my goodness, Jordan. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sneakers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yo, this material goes crazy. This is just straight. Now this is silk. This is straight butter. Yo, the detail on this shoe, it's insane. Like wow. Like wow. I'm honestly speechless. Like I am honestly speechless, you guys. Same thing on this pair. You can see. And then, like wow. Oh my god. I'm happy. Boop. Man, the shoe, 10 out of 10. If you guys were able to cop, let me know down below. This shoe is a 10 out of 10. This might even be sneaker of the year. I'm going to be crazy and point that out right now. This might be sneaker of the year. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I got to sit down. Somebody hand me a shot.
What do you mean breathe, breathe? Don't tell me to breathe. I can't be. Yo, bring me a shot. Bring me a shot.
But anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I don't even know when I'm going to wear these. Honestly, no cap. This might take me like a good 2 years until I break these out. Bro, the box, this inside, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you guys were able to cop, let me know how much you are loving these shoes because I am already in love. I might have to marry these shoes, honestly. Wow. Insane. But yeah, guys, it has been Nelly Kicks signing up.